face down. So, throat is clear. Okay, we're going to use the cervical strap for stability. What do you think, Johnny? Okay, now knees apart. Tummy down to the floor. Tummy all the way down.
Oh God, I'm scared.
Okay, you're good. Now you can see she's a little off there. I'm right on S3. Bring this in. There we go. Oh, there it is. Good. I'm going to be over here. I'm here on S3.
Oh God.
No, tummy down. Down. The more you let this hang, guess what? The easier it is, the less force. There it is. Good. Gotcha. That's it. Gotcha. Gotcha.